Let's remove the intake pipe. Use a 10mm socket or screwdriver. Use a 12mm socket to remove these two bolts. By mistake, the removal of the intake flange and venturi assembly was not recorded. Fortunately, the installation part is at the end of the video. Close the holes to prevent foreign objects from getting inside the engine. Remove 4 glow plug screw grommets. Lose and remove the glow plug nuts using a 10mm socket. Disconnect the vehicle's side wire harness. Gently remove the glow plug number 1 connector. To disconnect the injection pipe set, we will use a 17mm 12-point flare nut wrench. Be careful not to damage the pipes by the wrench. Remove 2 upper pipe clamps using a 10mm socket. Remove the fuel hose from the leakage pipe. Close the pipe to the fuel pump. Do not bend the fuel pipes. Just move them using their elasticity. Using a 17mm socket, remove the 4 nuts holding the leakage pipe. The most difficult will be finding a position for the socket wrench for the third injector. To remove the leakage pipe assembly, you can tie the fuel pipe set. Very gently remove the leakage pipe set. We will use a 21mm deep socket wrench to remove the nozzle holder and nozzle set. Clean around the injectors once more and spray a little penetrant. Use some extension to start the removal of the injectors more easily. The deep socket must unscrew the lowest part of the injector from the engine. Use both hands. Keep one hand on the top of the injector and the other moving the lever. Clean the injection nozzle hole and its surroundings using a vacuum cleaner in suction mode. Remove the injector nozzle seat gasket and injector seat using a hook. This is our first removed injector. This is a ring packing washer which must be replaced. And this is a seat gasket which must be replaced also. They come with new injectors. The injection nozzle seat is not compulsory to be replaced. This is our new set of 4 nozzle holders and nozzles, also known as injectors. Also, there are 4 injection nozzle seats. The new injectors come in airtight bags. Let's use some copper grease, but it is optional. Clean the hole once more with the vacuum cleaner in suction mode. Place new seats using a hook. Place new seat gasket using a hook. Insert the injector at first by hand. Remove the cap and the packing temporary plastic spacer. Use torque wrenches to tighten the injectors and also all parts. Place the 21 mm deep socket on the new injector till the bottom. The torque specified for the nozzle retaining nut in the cylinder head hole is 64 Newton meters. I was replacing the injectors one by one. After removing the old one, I installed a new one. It appears that after the engine was turned off there was a leak in the combustion chamber from the fourth injector. However, I will test my assumptions by testing the injectors on a fuel injector test stand. At the same time, the injectors may be rebuilt using the OEM genuine parts. A leaking injector may cause a rising engine oil level, thus diluting it. The owner may think that his car is not burning oil, but the oil level is being maintained due to a leaking injector. Or the oil level even will go above the maximum mark. That is also dangerous and may cause oil leakage. The tightest position for the wrench socket is for the third injector. Remember, do not bend the pipes. All 4 new injectors are installed. The nozzle leakage pipe assembly is installed. Be careful with it. I would recommend applying a very small amount of grease between the leakage pipe and the nuts that tighten it to prevent it from bending when tightened. Install the nuts by hand and then tighten them with a torque wrench to 30 Newton meters. Install by hand for flare nuts of the fuel pipes. Install the fuel hose. Install the upper clamps. The torque is 5 Newton meters. Install the glow plug number 1 connector. The torque specification for the nuts of the glow plug number 1 connector is only 1 Newton meter. Install the nuts and grommets. Tighten all 4 flare nuts of the fuel pipes. The torque is 25 Newton meters. Do not damage the fuel pipes with the wrench. Let's bleed the injection pipes. Move the priming pump in the upper part of the fuel filter assembly up and down, and fill the injection pump assembly and fuel system with fuel. Loosen one of the flare nuts in the nozzle side. Crank the engine until fuel comes out from the flare nut in the nozzle side. Tighten the flare nut, 25 Newton meters. The above operations should be carried out in each injection pipe. Let's install the venturi assembly. These are old and new gaskets. There are two the same new gaskets. Install the first gasket. Install the cleaned venturi assembly. Install the second gasket. Install the cleaned intake flange. The specified torque for these nuts is 12 Newton meters. Connect the manifold absolute pressure connector. Connect the throttle control motor connector. Connect the throttle open switch connector. Install the brackets. Install the ventilation hose. Install the intake pipe after cleaning. The specified torque for these nuts is 18 Newton meters. Tighten the intake pipe clamps to 6.5 Newton meters.